Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstractly. 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 Abstractly is an adverb that is used to describe the manner in which something is done in a conceptual or theoretical way, rather than in a concrete or practical manner. It often involves thinking or discussing ideas at a high level of abstraction. Here are some examples. Example number 1. She approached the problem abstractly, considering it from a purely theoretical standpoint. Why abstractly is used in example number 1. Abstractly describes how she approached the problem, emphasizing a theoretical and conceptual perspective. Example number 2. When viewing abstract art, some people try to interpret it abstractly, focusing on the emotions it evokes. Why abstractly is used in example number 2. Abstractly is used to suggest interpreting the art from a conceptual and emotional perspective. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.